And then let's get into the box to see what we're working with today. All right, I got this gorgeous highlighted curly wig. So gorgeous. It's a 13x4 wig, a lace front wig, and it's medium brown on the lace. So this is a 13x4, as I said, transparent lace front wig. All right, the hair is 22 inches long, 22 inches when stretched, of course, and it's highlighted. This is some Brazilian curly hair. I love the highlighted portions. Like, the color job is really nice, and the fact that it's curly, it's a nice curly texture. It's gorgeous. Love that. Now in the front, it comes nicely pre-plucked. There's a center part in there. The hair feels very silky and soft, so I love that. And the construction of the cap looks like this. It's a total of 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back, and adjustable straps as well in the back of the cap. They also added some adjustable straps on the inside for more security, you know, if you need it. You can also remove it if you don't want it to be in the cap, you know. And it's gorgeous, guys. It's gorgeous. So now that I show you guys how the wig looks, it's very full, by the way, very nice and full, very realistic luster, and I love the curl definition a lot. So now that I showed you guys what we're working with, let's go ahead and jump into installing it. Flip over vibe with this. It's so nice. This is it after I have spritzed it with water. It looks good. You see how nice and defined and full these curls are? Yeah, the highlighted portions really add a pop to the entire look. Let me know what you guys think. I made the parting a little bit more precise, and yeah, I'm loving it. Very nice and voluminous and juicy curls. So yeah, Nadula did their thing. The front is really nicely pre-plucked, and the fact that I didn't have to do any baby hairs, any swoops or anything, really nice. And as well, guys, glueless. This was a gorgeous glueless install. Yeah, this is my wig look for today. Let me know how you guys feel about it. Very convenient, very easy install. Is giving. I love how they added combs, elastic band, adjustable straps in the back of the cap, and it's all just really helps with the security even more. So those are the factors that really play into making it really easy to wear glueless, I should say. So that's a plus. If you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, the direct link to it will be in my description box, as well as all the specifications, so please go ahead, check that out. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Nadula Hair once more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Nadula.